Adjacent angles. If two angles are adjacent, they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. Why? Listen carefully, children. Here we can see common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms lie on either side of the common arm, right? Therefore, angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. What about angle C and angle D? Adjacent angles or not? See children, here we can see common arm, but there is no common vertex. Vertex of angle D represents this point. Vertex of angle C represents this one, right? So angle C, angle D are not adjacent angles. Then angle F, angle E. Yes, these two angles are also an example for adjacent angles. Why? We can see here common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms lie on the either side of common arm, right? Linear pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Here, angle F, angle E, adjacent angles, right? These two angles are also an example for linear pair. Clear, no? Linear pair. Listen, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Non-common sides are opposite rays. Clear, no? Listen, when we add angle F, angle E, we can see there some 180 degree. Is it clear? 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, we have two pairs of opposite angles. They are called vertically opposite angles and they are equal in measure. When two lines intersect, looking like the letter X, right? We have two pairs of opposite angles. They are called vertically opposite angles. Here, angle A, angle C are vertically opposite angles. Angle B, angle D are another pair of vertically opposite angles. First pair, angle A, angle C. Second one, angle B, angle D. Listen, then one more point. Here, angle A equals angle C. Angle B equals angle D. That means vertically opposite angles are equal. Clear, no? If it is 80 degree, can you give me measurement of angle C? Also becomes 80 degree. If it is 10, what about measurement of angle D? Yes, also becomes 10. That means vertically opposite angles are equal. Clear, no? From this adjoining figure, we have to find answer of these questions. First one, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Can you see here angle 1, angle 2? What about angle 1 and 2? Adjacent angles or not? Yes, angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Why? We can see here common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Therefore, angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Answer is yes. Listen, next question. Question number 2 is angle AOC. Angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. AOC. AOE. Here we can see common vertex. AOC, AOE. Common vertex O. Then common arm. AOC, AOE. Yes, common arm is here. AO. Then third point. What about non-common arms here? OC and OE, right? These two are not on the either side of common arm. Okay? Here, ഈ രണ്ട് നോൺ കോമൺ ആംസും കോമൺ ആമിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലുമല്ല കിടക്കുന്നത്. രണ്ടും ഒരേ സൈഡിലല്ലേ കിടക്കുന്നത്. Therefore, angle AOC not adjacent to angle AOE. Is it clear? So second answer is no. Second answer no. Then third question. Do angle COE and angle EOD angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair. Can you see OE? Okay, and EOD angle from here to here. COE, EOD linear pair or not, children? Angle COE, EOD adjacent angles. We can see here common vertex, common arm OE, then non-common arms OC, OD are on the either side of common arm. Therefore, angle COE, EOD are adjacent angles, also linear pair, right? Why? Opposite rays, no non-common arms here, OC, OD, opposite rays. Therefore, third question's answer is yes. Third question's answer yes. Clear, no? Fourth question are BOD, angle BOD, angle AOD or DOA supplementary. From this figure we can understand angle BOD and angle DOA are linear pair, right? Linear pair, no? Why? These two are adjacent angles, then non-common arms here, opposite rays. Therefore, adjacent angles BOD and DOA are also example for linear pair. Then sum of these two angles becomes 180 degree, linear pair, no? If sum of these two angles is 180 degree, we can call angle AOD, angle BOD or supplementary angles. രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസ് സപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിന് രണ്ടിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ സം എന്തായിരിക്കും? 180 ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ ലീനിയർ പെയർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ തൊട്ട് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ ടു ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ സി ഡിഗ്രി മെഷർ 180. Therefore, angle AOD or angle DOA and angle BOD are supplementary angles. Answer becomes yes. Is it clear, children? Is angle 1 vertically opposed to angle 4, right? Here When we consider these two dotted lines, AB and CD, intersected at a point O. Here, AOC vertically opposed to angle DOB, right? Therefore, angle 1 vertically opposed to angle 4. So, fifth answer becomes yes. Next, last question. What is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Can you see here angle 5? Yes. Angle 5 represents angle AOD. Angle AOD vertically opposed to angle BOC, right? BOC. Therefore, last answer, angle BOC, or, listen carefully children, or angle 5 vertically opposed to angle 2 plus 3, or angle 2 plus angle 3. Indicate which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles, linear pairs. From this adjoining figure, we have to find vertically opposite angles and linear pairs. Listen, first we have to find vertically opposite angles. Listen, here angle 4, angle 1, vertically opposite angles, right? These two angles are vertically opposite. Clear, no? So, first vertically opposite angles, angle 4, comma, angle 1. Then next vertically opposite angles, can you give me children? Which one? Yes. Angle 5 and angle 2 plus 3. These two angles, right? So, second answer, angle 5, comma, angle 2 plus angle 3. Clear, no? Next we have to find linear pairs, right? Listen, what about angle 5 and 4? Adjacent angles, no? Here, non-common arms, opposite rays, right? Therefore, linear pairs, first linear pair, angle 5, comma, angle 4. Angle 1, angle 5 are adjacent angles, right? Here, opposite rays, no, non-common arms. Therefore, next pair, next linear pair, angle 5, comma, angle 1. Two linear pairs only we can have from this. From this adjoining figure, can you find measurement of angle X, Y and Z, children? Listen, how we'll find? From this figure, we can understand angle 80 degree and Y are vertically opposite angles, right? Then angle ZX are also another pair of vertically opposite angles. We discussed vertically opposite angles are equal. If it is 80 degree, what about measurement of angle Y? Also becomes 80 degree, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle Y also equals 80 degree. Then, how will find angle X? Here we have now 80 degree, right? Then, how will find angle X? Angle 80 and angle X, or this angle 80 and angle X are adjacent angles, right? At the same time, linear pair, common vertex, common arm, non-common arms are on the either side of common arm. Here, non-common arms are opposite rays. Therefore, measurement from here to here becomes how much? 180 degree, right? 180 degree, no? Linear pair. Therefore, angle X equals 180 degree minus how much? Yes, 80 degree equals 100 degree. Is it clear, children? 100. If angle x is 100 degree, what about angle Z? X and Z vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, measurement of angle Z also becomes 100 degree, right?